Today we'll talk about how can you select category on your business suite app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on tools down here. So when you click on tools here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on profile info. So then you come to this list here. Then you go down, click here on category here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you select your category in this list. So if you want to add artists or music or blogger here, so when you're done, just click on save. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.